As men age, taking care of the prostate becomes more important than ever. But what if one common food in your daily diet is quietly putting your health at risk? In today's video, we're revealing the one food you should avoid to protect your prostate, improve your well-being, and reduce potential complications as you get older. This simple change could make a powerful difference, so stay with us to learn what it is and why it matters. When it comes to maintaining prostate health, especially as men age, diet plays a critical role. While many foods can support prostate function and reduce inflammation, there's one category of food that consistently raises concerns among health experts: processed meat. Why processed meat is harmful? Processed meats include items like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, ham, and deli slices. These foods are often preserved through smoking, curing, or adding chemical preservatives, and that's where the problem begins. Linked to increased prostate cancer risk, numerous studies suggest that high consumption of processed meats may be associated with a greater risk of developing prostate cancer. These meats often contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form harmful compounds called nitrosamines in the body. These compounds have been linked to DNA damage and cancer development. Promotes chronic inflammation. Processed meats are typically high in saturated fats and advanced glycation end products, AGEs, substances that can trigger inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to prostate enlargement, benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH, and may worsen urinary symptoms. Hormonal disruption. Some processed meats may contain residues of hormones or chemicals used during production. These substances can interfere with the body's hormonal balance, particularly testosterone and estrogen levels, both of which play a role in prostate health. High sodium content. Most processed meats are loaded with salt. Excess sodium can lead to high blood pressure and poor circulation, which may indirectly affect prostate function and overall urological health. What happens over time? Regularly consuming processed meats doesn't usually cause immediate symptoms, but over time it can contribute to increased prostate inflammation, difficulty urinating or frequent urination, higher risk of prostate enlargement, greater likelihood of abnormal cell growth. These issues often become more noticeable after age 50, when the prostate naturally begins to enlarge. Healthier alternatives. Avoiding processed meat doesn't mean giving up protein. In fact, replacing it with healthier options can actively support prostate health. Better choices include fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, legumes, lentils, beans, high in fiber and plant-based protein. Nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds, contain zinc, essential for prostate function. Lean poultry, a cleaner protein source with less saturated fat. Plant-based proteins, such as tofu and tempeh, which may help balance hormones. A smarter approach to eating. It's not just about removing one harmful food. It's about creating a dietary pattern that supports long-term health. A prostate-friendly diet is typically rich in fruits and vegetables, especially tomatoes, broccoli, and leafy greens. Low in processed and fried foods. Balanced in healthy fats, like olive oil and avocado. Moderate in red meat and minimal in processed meat. If you're looking to protect your prostate and reduce the risk of future complications, cutting back, or completely eliminating processed meat is one of the most impactful steps you can take. While it may be convenient and tasty, the long-term effects simply aren't worth the risk. Small dietary changes today can lead to significant health benefits tomorrow. By choosing cleaner, whole food alternatives, you're not only supporting your prostate, you're improving your overall well-being.